ASUS Vivobook 16 Snapdragon X. Unity Systems Solutions. The ASUS Vivobook 16 X1607QA is one of the first batches of notebooks to run on the new Qualcomm Snapdragon X chip. Compared to the more premium Snapdragon X Elite and Snapdragon X Plus chip devices we have seen in the past, the Vivobook 16 X1607QA is a more affordable mid-range notebook befitting the entry-level Snapdragon chip. Vivobook 16 targets students, home, and office users with somewhat basic computing needs. It has a 16-inch Full HD 60Hz IPS display, a full-sized keyboard with numeric keys, and a 50 mAh battery with 65-watt fast charging. Processor: Snapdragon XX126100 processor. 30 MB cache, up to 2.97 GHz, 8 cores, 8 threads, Qualcomm Hexagon NPU up to 45 TOPS. Graphics: Qualcomm Adreno GPU. Neural processor: Qualcomm Hexagon NPU up to 45 TOPS. Memory: 16 GB LPDDR5X on board. Storage: 512 GB M.2 NVMe PCIe 4.0 SSD. Power supply Type-C, 65-watt AC adapter. Display. The X1607QA has a 16-inch, 1920 by 1200 resolution IPS LCD. The display has a refresh rate range of 40 to 60 Hz with VRR support. The panel has a matte anti-glare coating and a peak brightness of 300 nits. FHD camera with IR function to support Windows Hello with privacy shutter. I/O port, more connectivity. With its comprehensive I/O ports, ASUS Vivobook 16 is your ultimate work assistant. It features two USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A ports, two USB 4.0 Gen 3 Type-C ports with fast charging, an HDMI port, and an audio combo jack. Plus, with Wi-Fi 6E, you'll enjoy seamless cloud AI experiences and 40 gigabits per second fast speeds for rapid data transfer. Keyboard and trackpad. The X1607QA has a backlit Chiclet-style keyboard with 1.7mm travel keys. Along with the full set of letter and symbol keys, there is also a 10-key numeric keypad on the side. Moving on, the trackpad measuring 13 cm x 8.5 cm and is perfectly flush with the base. It is a plastic surface but still quite smooth, and although it is hinged at the top, you can click on almost 80% of the surface and register a click. Battery. ASUS Vivobook 16 features fast charging technology, enabling the battery to reach 50% capacity in just 30 minutes, minimizing downtime and maximizing productivity. With an impressive battery life of up to 27 hours, it ensures reliable performance for all-day use. It's the best laptop for students and everyone, perfect for work, study, and play, delivering exceptional versatility to meet everyone's needs. Audio. ASUS Vivobook 16 delivers superb sound quality for your music and videos. Whether it's entertainment or dialogue, everything sounds crystal clear. Pair it with Snapdragon-powered earbuds or headphones for premium wireless sound, ultra-low latency, and advanced noise cancellation, ensuring crystal clear calls and immersive audio.